Welcome to the channel. Behind me is the canoe that is in its natural position. This is the position that the canoe will float in. It's been a long time coming. You know, it's been on the station molds for a long time, allowing us to strip it from the gunnels up to filling in the bottom of the hull, which also provided the support to sand and block plane, seal coat, and fiberglass. So just recently I completed the final 2 fill coats. In the last video I did the initial fill coat, and then I had mentioned that I wasn't going to film the final 2 fill coats, which I did not. So I did achieve those 2 fill coat levels, and I have not sanded based on recommendations of forums and books and whatever else. You know, the canoe's going to move around quite a bit, so I'm just going to leave it as is. This is not the way it's going to be though. This is temporary. I am going to build some stands with some saddle supports because there's a lot of sanding. You know, the big takeaway from today is the fact that I was allowed to experience this with my son. He came down and he helped me. We flipped the canoe together. We saw it for the first time together. He removed the canoe forms on his own, and he got a little taste of potentially what it's going to be like when we do a project like this together in the future, which is something that I desire, and I think he does too. And I just wanted to share the importance and the epic moment to me, and how I was able to share that with my son. One thing I did today was I made a phone call. I did source out some 20-foot boards of ash, and I'll be picking those up on Friday. Just don't know how I'm going to fit 20-foot boards on top of my SUV. Gonna have to figure it out. Alright, so we're going to flip it, and it's going to be centered on this strong back, but it's just going to rest on the bottom now. The forms are going to fall out, don't worry about that. Just keep going until we get it turned over.
Yeah.
There it is.